Use the app and lower the cables enough to run them through the pulleys on the lifting bracket and connect them to the carabiners. The cable should run straight up and down. Back your truck in, lower the lifting bracket, and connect the kingpin to your hitch. Disconnect the hitch from the truck and make sure the hitch is locked, just as you would lock it onto a trailer. Use the app and lift the hitch out of the bed. The up and down buttons move the MyLifters at their full speed. The slider button in the middle allows you to move the lifters very slowly to install or remove your hitch at a speed you feel comfortable with. You can also create smart lift points by pressing the buttons here and here. Simply raise the hitch to the high point and press Set High. Lower it to its lower position and tap Set Low. You can then raise or lower the hitch by pressing the Smart Lift or Smart Lower buttons. The hitch will move to that position and stop automatically. The load indicator here shows how much effort the MyLifters are using together. If you should forget to disconnect your hitch, or there is some sort of obstruction, the load indicator will go to red, and the MyLifters will stop automatically to protect you and your property. The lifting bracket should hang flat and level. To change the level of your bracket, make sure you're in the control screen for your lifter and tap Help in the top right corner. Then tap Level Group. This screen allows you to control the MyLifters individually. Raise or lower one of the MyLifters until the bracket is level. Then tap Set Group Level. Let's balance your lifter. Use the app and start raising the hitch. Look at the two load indicators at the bottom of the screen. These show how much each MyLifter is working. If one is working significantly harder than the other, lower the hitch back into the truck or onto the ground. Disconnect the kingpin from the bracket and reattach it in a different position. Then raise the hitch and watch the two indicators. Here you can see what an unbalanced load looks like. And here is a balanced load. Repeat this process until the load is balanced. That's it, your fifth wheel hitch lifter is ready to use. You can lift, lower, and store your hitch with the press of a button. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Remember to visit our website for more products that will make your garage a little smarter.